What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to reset the inspection periodic warning lights on a Mitsubishi Outlander 2007 model. As you can see, when you turn on the ignition, you will see this warning light. Okay, that one, periodic inspection. To remove that one, first you need to turn off the ignition on the car. When it's totally off, it says goodbye now. Okay, then you need to push this info button. Push it until this one will come out. Okay, and after that, you long press the info button, that one, long press, and that flashes, and you click again. Now it's clear, and you turn on the ignition. As you can see, now it's gone. Hope that will teach you guys how to reset the code of your Outlanders, because here in Japan, when you bring this one to the dealer, it will cost you a big money. That's why, to all my Filipino friends, this is how you do it. Okay, thanks guys.